हरिः कर्ता।
So next we will be looking into triplot. Triplot of x comma y. There won't be any chat here. So we won't be specifically using. If you want to use, you can use that depends upon you. But triplot of x comma y. What is a triplot? Triplot involves creating a triangular grid. The matplotlib.pyplot.triplot method or function draws a unstructured triangular grid as lines and are markers. The either, as we have discussed earlier, a triangulation to plot can be specified in one of two ways. Either you can mention the triangulation argument as part of the function, or you can actually specifically use a triangulation object. You can define that triangulation object specifically. Anyway, let's take one example so that it would be much clearer for you. So try color, sorry, try plot of x comma y, and so let's take the same data, nothing to be changed for this example. So I'm gonna give you one more example. So there the data might change, but for now we'll go with the same example and see if you use different functions and how the plot changes. Okay, so everything remains same. Now let's plot. Now let's plot try plot of. Okay, so fig ax is equals to plt dot sub plots. Yeah, and here is that. So now let me use x try plot of x comma y and execute it, and here it is. So this is how each so each x comma y are connected together through a line. So now let me set the limits, not much of difference. So that's it. Execute it, and here is your try plot. So what we will do, we'll take one more example. So this time so we'll keep the same thing. Yeah, this is second example for the try plot. So let's import matplotlib dot try, yeah, as mtri. Yeah, done. So now let's create a triangulation. Let's create triangulation. Yeah, so x is equals to np dot as array. So inside that I'm gonna give a list. This is a list 1D. I'm gonna give a simple sequence, a list sequence. So 0 1 2 3, and then I'm gonna go for the 0 0.5, 1.5, 2.5, 1 comma 2 comma 1.5. That's it. This is our x, and now let me have a y array. So y array is equals to np dot as array of a list. I'm gonna give a list. So 0 comma 0 0 and 1.0 1.0 1.0, 2 comma 2 comma 3.0. So that's it, x and y. So now let's make triangles. Triangles that consists of a list or sequence of sequences. So let me make a first sequence. So 0 comma 1 comma 4, sorry, 0 comma 1 comma 4. This is our first sequence. Then second sequence 1 comma 2 comma 5. Then a third sequence 2 comma 3 comma 6, and the fourth sequence 1 comma 5 comma 4. Fifth 2 comma 6 comma 5. Then we have 4 comma 5 comma 7, and we have 5 comma 6 comma 8. Then 5 comma 8 comma 7, 7 comma 8 comma 9. Yeah, that's it. Let me check. Let me print the data of each and see how that arrays looks. X, print x, a simple list. Y is again another list. Of course, it's not just a list, it's an array. So, and triangles, this is what. Yeah. So if you want to see triangles, triangles dot endim. Okay, triangle is a simple list, so we can't apply. Sorry, that's my mistake. That's my bad. Yeah, triangle is simple, a list objects, a sequence of sequences. Nowhere we have converted this into that. Okay. Yeah. So now, so let me convert this triangulation. Let me create a triangulation object. Triang is equals to mtri dot triangulation of x comma y comma triangles. Okay, then triangulation is done. Now it's time to do interpolation. So now interpolating to regularly spaced quad grid. Okay, so z is equals to np dot cos of 1.5 times x, and multiply that with another np dot cos of again 1.5 times y. So z is ready, x, y, triangulation, all are ready. Now it's time to set up for the figure, or setting up the figure. So setting up the figure. So fig x is equals to plt dot subplots. Yep, mt1 is absolutely ready now. So now let me say x dot set title to it. Yeah, set title. So I'm gonna go for triplot 2, example 2. Yeah, this is your triplot 2. So now let's plot the triangulation. So plotting the triangulation. So ax dot try contour f of triang comma z. Yep, this is what you got when you use a contour f. So now let me show you a magic. So ax dot triplot and triplot, sorry, I have to give triang, sorry, triang, tri, yeah, triang, and then bo dash and execute it, and here is what had happened. Yes, that's what is magic. So now let me make it plt.show. That's it. See the magic. Let me make it bigger, and here is your plot on your screen. So try plot, and we used a triangulation, and we got this effect. So if you want to create more complex and complicated, still you can do it. You just explore the Python matplotlib documentation to make amazing figures and amazing mathematical amazing figures with the application of mathematical equations.